Just received news that the National Commission for Women have now summoned the close aide of Arvind Kejriwal, Bibhav Kumar. That's the breaking news coming in amid the entire furor on the allegations of an assault on Swati Maliwal, the Rajya Sabha MP, the BJP hitting out at the Chief Minister, questioning his silence. Ananya joins us now for the very latest. Ananya, tell us more. What exactly are you hearing from the NCW?
Well, the National Commission for Women has now issued summons to, Bibhav Kumar, who is the Personal Secretary of the Delhi Chief Minister, Arvind Kejriwal. Remember that assault happened on Swati Maliwal. She had made one PCR call with regards to the same incident. And, though there is not very much clarity as to what exactly had happened that day, but the NCW had that day itself written to the Delhi police to actually, look into this particular matter and had sought a ATR from them as well. But now, finally, they've issued summons to, Bibhav Kumar in this particular case, and has asked, Bibhav to appear before the commission on the 17th of May. Is what is there. They've written a letter, official letter to Bibhav Kumar to actually come and appear before the commission to explain as to what had happened that day and what is the whole incident about. Because remember that Swati Maliwal is a former, chairperson of the Delhi Commission for Women. The National Commission for Women had taken a Moto cognizance of this incident and had sought response from the Delhi police also in this particular case.
Okay.
The ATR had been sought from the Delhi police, and now finally Bibhav Kumar has been summoned.
No, but I wanted to understand from you legally now. So, we know how this assault case on Swati Maliwal has sparked a political firestorm, and that is expected in politics. But legally speaking, what if Bibhav Kumar doesn't turn up? What are the options for the NCW? Because there isn't an FIR, Ananya. There is no case that has been filed against any individual by Swati Maliwal, who is the victim here.
Well, the National Commission for Women is one of the apex bodies when it comes to, securing the rights of women. And though there is no FIR in this particular case,
Yes.
The National Commission for Women is well within its rights to summon anybody if at all they feel that there is. If you remember Sandesh Khali, there were also, complaints of various women, and the NCW chairperson had visited there and had met those women. Though there is no complaint here itself with regards to the particular victim, that is Swati Maliwal in this particular case, but the suo moto powers of the NCW comes into play here. And since if at all Bibhav Kumar does not appear before,
But in this case, Swati Maliwal herself is missing in action. She's incommunicado. No one really knows anything about her whereabouts. Does this become even more of a challenging situation for the investigating authorities or for authorities like the National Commission for Women?
Well, definitely, it becomes a little challenging for, the National Commission of Women also, because, there is no complaint per se with them. But definitely, there is a suo. That is exactly why, the Commission has been legally granted a right of a suo moto cognizance. And the NCW has taken a suo moto cognizance in this particular case. And legally speaking, this is one of the apex women bodies in the country. And if that does not happen, if Bibhav Kumar does not appear, the NCW too has an option to go before a court and seek a 156(3) in this particular case. But for that, they would definitely need some version of Swati Maliwal too. But at this particular point of time, Bibhav Kumar being summoned by the National Commission for Women is a subsequent development taking place in this case. Whether or not he appears in this particular aspect is something that would be interesting and noteworthy to see. Because if he does not appear before, the National Commission for Women, but then there is a lot of, not only legally but politically also, it can flare up against the Aam Aadmi Party, because then it would, show up that the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to shield Bibhav Kumar, and the NCW now coming into play can actually, take legal recourse for this in this case as well.
Okay, that's interesting. And explain this to me or for our viewers. What are the options before the cops, since no FIR has been filed just as yet? What are you hearing from the police? Are they also collecting CCTV footage from outside the Chief Minister's residence to build a case?
Well, if at all, because there is no complaint in this particular case, the police is, proceeding pretty slow in this particular case. But if at all the NCW takes some action, because NCW has already taken a suo moto cognizance in this particular case, and since if at all Bibhav does not appear before the commission, then the commission can actually write to the Delhi Police Commissioner to register a case suo moto in this particular case. And not only that, they can also try to contact Swati Maliwal, because this is one of the apex women bodies, and Swati Maliwal also being a part of one of those bodies, a former DCW chairperson, there might be some support that the NCW is trying to, give to Swati Maliwal in this particular case. But what happens next is something that we'll have to wait and watch for.
Absolutely. We'll just share with our viewers the press note that you're seeing on your screens right now and what exactly it states. The NCW, the National Commission for Women, which has taken suo moto cognizance of a media post captioned DCW Chief Swati Maliwal accuses Arvind Kejriwal's personal secretary, Bibhav Kumar, of allegedly assaulting her. The post is reported that Ms. Swati Maliwal, who is a Rajya Sabha MP and former DCW chief, has alleged that the private secretary of the Chief Minister of Delhi had brutally assaulted her at the Chief Minister's residence. In view of the above, the Commission has scheduled a hearing of the matter now on the 17th of May. So that's interesting to point out. All concerned parties are now required to appear before the Commission in person. Anshul joins us for more on this. Anshul, and what if Bibhav Kumar doesn't make an appearance? Because it categorically has asked him to make an appearance. He's been summoned. There is no case. There is no FIR that has been filed. So what are the options for the investigating agencies?
Well, yes, still the Delhi police cannot do anything in this entire matter, because remember, the summons has been issued by the NCW, but NCW has no jurisdiction authority or it has no powers through which it can take action against Bibhav Kumar. It can actually ask the police to take action, but for that a complaint needs to be registered with the Delhi police. That complaint has still not been given to the Delhi police. So this step that has been taken by the NCW, it is going to have very little to no impact on this entire case. If you see, even if Bibhav Kumar decides to go ahead and not abide by the summons, then also there is very little that the NCW could do except for issuing a fresh round of summon to him. Now it is up to Bibhav Kumar if he wants to come and join the abide by the summons. So yes, it remains to be seen if he will do that. But until and unless there is a complaint that is given to the Delhi police, the situation is going to remain the same. The Delhi police cannot do anything against Bibhav Kumar until and unless a complaint is given by Swati Maliwal.